What are you doing?
We got a Christmas tree.
You did? Did you pick the best one?
Yeah.
Why do you have that hammer?
Because it's my hammer.
Oh, please don't hammer the windowsill. We are a little bit late with getting a Christmas tree this year, but Levi and Jeff went out hunting for one and brought it home. So we are going to be decorating that in a little bit. We are also late with getting going on our Christmas truffles. I showed you guys in a vlog the other day that we perfected the peanut butter truffles that are our special truffle flavor of the year, but we have yet to start on like all the regular batches of truffles. I think we're gonna have to start this evening. And so I am going to bring you guys along on our Christmas tree decorating and getting going on all the truffles. Dad's super strong. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. We are getting ready to decorate the Christmas tree, and I just wanted to mention in here, you guys might wonder where Talia is. If you count the children, you might notice there's one missing. And she just left this morning on a road trip with her uncle and aunt, my brother and sister-in-law, and they're going to be gone for a whole week. And so we are missing her for our, tree decorating and holiday festivities, but she is, I'm sure, having a glorious time. She was so excited. She will be home before Christmas though, so we will get to spend Christmas with her. But I just wanted to mention that in case any of you guys were wondering. All right, are you guys ready to look at our ornaments and see what we actually have?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
It's a little tiny Christmas tree.
Yeah, we could put that on the coffee table. There we go. Also, if anybody was wondering, since we moved into this house, we decided that our new tradition would be to get a live Christmas tree each year and then plant it on our property after Christmas. We did that last year for the first time. Sadly, that tree did not make it. So we're going to keep working on that, and hopefully this one will have a better time of it. Oh, nice. But we're going to put the lights on next, so don't put any more ornaments, okay? What's that one, Levi?
Yeah.
What is it?
It said Izzy in my truck.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
You are driving. And what does it say on there?
It says Levi.
What?
And there's Izzy.
And there's Izzy in your truck. I love it.
And it's for Izzy too.
Oh, yeah?
Because Izzy.
Yeah. Do you remember you gave that to me for Christmas last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was my present. Charity, what's your favorite ornament on the tree?
The bacon.
Show me.
Right here. I can put this on.
Isn't that
Mom,
cute?
look at, ow! Ow!
That's a bee.
And I'm going to put this.
Oh,
Can you tie it
I think
on?
the tree's getting pretty full, Levi. I don't know if there's room for that one. Just getting our morning chores done on the farm here, and yes, it is the next day. I did not get to starting on truffles yesterday. We just enjoyed doing the Christmas tree, and we really need to get going on truffles today. So getting chores done this morning, and then we will be rolling up our sleeves and getting to work on truffles. Did you get them all taken care of, Renee?
No, that's Cora.
Okay. You got a chicken, huh? Yeah, good morning to you too. I brought you some food, but I don't want to give it to you here. Oh. Come on, Toro. Let's go. Let's go, Toro. Come on. Yes, Toro being your friend.
But sometimes when he I sometimes like to run with him. He just like go to him. He's just like, yes, I was waiting for the bus.
A little stinker.
He's just like, no, don't take me. I'm waiting for the bus stop. I'm just going to do this.
That sounds great.
My hand.
Yep, you can check for eggs. Oh, Toro, are you all set up to eat some blackberries? Yeah, go ahead and eat some blackberries, Toro. Oh, yeah, hi. Cutie patootie. Hey, Nibbles. Hey, Nibbles. What are you nibbling on? Did you find any eggs?
Yeah, but there's only one.
Only one. All right, take it inside. We gotta clean it.
This morning.
Oh, okay. So we've gotten 4 so far.
So I got 3.
You got 3 bacons?
Yeah, but this time it's 2. But when I break the 2 one to get up, it's 3. See, I have 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Just like you're 3 years old.
But no, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm 4 years old.
Oh, 4.
4.5.
4.5. That's right. I forgot.
There's nothing on here.
Nothing on where?
On the counter.
Well, that's because it's ready for us to make truffles with, right?
Yeah.
Is that good lighting? What do you think?
Yeah. I think you made the words too small.
Oh, let me see.
What you want?
Oh, wow. That is very small. Printed the recipe that we always use. It's from Nestle Toll House, chocolate mint truffles. And we don't do the nuts on the outside. We do the chocolate coating instead. But I'll put a link down to this recipe down below. All right, you guys want to put all the different kinds together so that they're all set. All right, so I got lilies for making a few keto ones. The recipe is the same. You just use the sugar-free chocolate chips instead of regular, which is convenient. I love it when recipes translate that easily to keto. So we're doing peanut butter as our special flavor that we showed you in a video from last week. And the topping is flake salt. So those go together. And then these ones, I actually got them on after Valentine's Day when they were on clearance. But I thought they'd be perfect for the peppermint truffles. Where's the peppermint? Oh, here it is. Peppermint. So that one's there. And then, what did we decide these ones were for?
Peanut butter lemon.
No, the peanut butter has this. Oh yeah, lemon. That's right. Peanut butter has the flake salt. So we're doing that with the lemon. What color were we doing for almond?
It was this. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh, I think we're actually doing this for rum. Actually.
We usually do this for rum, but I thought maybe we changed our minds, but I don't know. And then orange was gonna be
These.
the balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these ones are the ones, so we're gonna put these ones away.
Orange.
And so orange is the rainbow balls.
I'm going to do
And then,
orange.
and what was going to be the holly leaves?
I think it was peppermint. Peppermint.
No, this one was definitely peppermint. The last one is almond, so maybe we were going to do it almond. I think that's right.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, Mom. And I'm going to do...
Wow, we have a lot of these rainbow balls.
I said, Mom.
Yes, Levi?
I'm going to do orange.
You're going to do orange?
Because I love rainbow and I love oranges.
That's true, you do.
And
And you love
bananas.
chocolate.
Yeah, and bananas.
Yeah, and bananas too.
But,
Good stuff.
but are we doing banana?
We're not doing banana this year.
Yeah, last time we did banana.
All right, are we ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. What's the orange?
Melt little chocolate chips.
Melt.
Melt little chocolate chips.
They're going to die.
No, they're going to their happiest life.
They're gonna melt.
This is their greatest. This is their greatest achievement in life. Is truffle form, right?
Yeah,
They're ascending.
greatest form.
No, they don't
Like
like.
frogs.
They don't like to melt.
Like frogs that
Yeah.
or
They don't like to
tadpoles.
melt.
No, I think they do, because that's their highest potential in life.
That is not.
Okay, Renee, you can go ahead and start stirring that one gently. And
Oh,
Charity,
that's so weird.
Charity, you can start stirring that one gently.
Whoa.
It takes a while. Yeah, just a minute, Levi. I'm just waiting for this one to be ready.
Look at this.
It takes a while for them to really melt, and sometimes we have to throw them in the microwave for a little bit longer to. Okay, here you go. All right, can you do it so gently? Don't splash it out.
I think this needs to go in the microwave.
It will, yeah. Just stir it as best you can for now. And then
So
we'll go
weird.
from there. Levi, your spatula matches your shirt.
Yeah, I know. It's really hard for me because.
I know. Maybe you could trade with Renee.
Can I trade with you?
Yeah. Well, this one's really hard. Oh, Levi, don't put that in there.
It's okay. There's no extract in there yet.
So now you can use the spoon and gosh, you got chocolate that way.
That's what he does. How's yours looking, Charity?
Especially when it's just bending because it's so strong and sticking.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah, I can't eat them.
Renee, that one looks nice and smooth. What flavor do you want to do? The almond,
peppermint.
Okay. So we're doing a tablespoon of peppermint extract.
Oh, I love
All right, you want
peppermint.
to hold this and I'll pour it?
Mom,
Oh, Levi, careful! Okay, now you can't switch spatulas with anybody because it'll have peppermint flavor, and we don't want peppermint flavor in any of the other truffles. They're not supposed to be peppermint.
Wait, what if we did like a double flavor?
Well, that would be good as long as it's the flavors that go together.
And then we put both
All right,
those
now
different
this
peanut butter and jelly.
needs to be stirred really gently. All right, let me.
Now it's probably making the whole kitchen smell like peppermint.
Yeah.
So it's not strong.
Okay, you want to finish stirring that one? Levi, let me see that.
Yeah.
Where
Okay.
should I put this?
In the sink. And then you're done for now.
am I done?
Not quite.
Yeah,
Okay. Can you stir that super carefully? The extract splashes real easily.
I want to. This one. While I wait for my turn to do stuff, my eat some caramel crisps.
Sure. Eat some carnivore crisps.
We have the chicken ones.
In the pantry.
Don't push me over with your 2 paws. Renee.
Levi, what are you eating? What are those?
Dog food.
Dog food? Is that what you said? Renee? You got something on your face.
What?
Chocolate.
Oh, how do you get chocolate up here? I don't know. Do you have bread? Nope, I don't.
Levi, you need to take your yogurt away.
This is my. I'm hungry.
We'll eat it over at the table and then come over when you're done. Are you sure it's not underneath those pans?
Yeah, look, it's between every single one.
Still eating bacon, huh?
Yep. Another bacon.
Wow, eating bacon all day.
Yep. Another bacon.
I just wanted to throw in here that I did not script the portion of the video where the kids asked for carnivore crisps. They genuinely love eating carnivore crisps. And with my kids' diets, I try to strike balance. Because they're metabolically healthy right now, I want to help keep them that way. So they have all kinds of healthy meats and proteins and low-carb foods in their diet, and it's balanced out with a little bit of chocolate sometimes. One tip that I absolutely loved that came from Janet Greta on one of our Fab 4 videos where we talked about our strategies during the holidays is having some good, healthy, low-carb, snacky food that you can just snack on when there's temptations around. So I kind of did it unintentionally today. I cooked a huge pack of bacon in the morning and just had it sitting on the counter all day, and you could see we all munched on it throughout the day, and then also having those carnivore crisps available in the pantry when we needed something crunchy just worked out really, really well to help the kids not overdo it on the chocolate and to fill up on protein and then just enjoy a little bit of chocolate. Charity? That was so fast.
It's hard.
Are you working, Levi? What flavor are you doing, Levi?
Maybe mint.
Actually, it's rum. Good guess.
There.
Oh, it's actually
Is that-
smelling rum.
Yeah?
Is that-
What do you think of rum?
Is
It
that
smells
good?
good.
Yeah?
Oh, this
Good.
smells so good. That's why I can smell it forever.
Yeah, that looks good, Charity. Are you ready to lick your spoons?
Yeah.
Go for it.
I'm glad I got peppermint because I like the
Me too.
Yeah.
peppermint chocolate.
Peppermint. I can smell it from here.
Careful, Levi.
You remember you use the other spoon to push it off. That's the way they work.
It's so strong that maybe the YouTubers can smell it.
You think so? You guys let us know down in the comments. Can you smell the peppermint through the screen? I'll get you real close so you can really take a good sniff. Now the messy part where we start rolling the truffles.
And
Lick
then
our
we
hands
put
afterwards.
sprinkles.
And then we dip and put sprinkles.
And we get to lick our hands afterwards.
Yeah. Two scoops?
Then I can put a lot of sprinkles on it so it can be so big.
Yeah.
Let's stick as a truffle.
Let's say wow.
Nice job.
Can I eat these?
Nope.
You can like roll it around like chocolate. I can swim.
Sweet pea. That has a lot of sprinkles on it this time.
Mhm.
Then a squiggle.
Nice job. Last one of the peppermint.
I want to eat these.
I know you do.
They're yummy. But where are you going to put these sprinkles?
We can put them in a jar to save for another time.
Oh, yeah, we can put them in a jar too.
All right, here, do the last one, Levi. Do the last one. No, because we're going to dip more later.
Like today?
Nice job.
Later today?
No, probably tomorrow.
I don't
All right, we made really good progress. We've got a lot rolled. We've got 2 more bowls of filling that need to be scooped. And we got 1 full batch
Mom, can I do that?
dipped and sprinkled. So we are making really good progress here.
Can I sprinkle now?
No, we're already done
Oh.
for tonight. We'll do more tomorrow. Does it smell good?
I want to eat them.
Weren't these almond?
No, peppermint.
Oh. Thought they were almond.
All this time, huh?
Why is the parts of paper turning red?
Get the red sprinkles are melting.